guys, finally we're here at kilometer 0. Ayun yun, oh. Nandito sa harap ng Luneta Park. 1.5 hour bike from Rizal, Antipolo, Rizal, dulo ng Antipolo, going here at kilometer 0 Luneta. March 30, 2025, Sunday. Malis ako sa bahay ng almost 3, then dumating ako 4:30 PM. Kilometer 0. Ayun ang Luneta, guys. Wala ko si road bike. Okay guys, we're here at kilometer 0. Kilometer 0. Ayan siya, si road bike. Picture na yan si road bike here. Okay, here at kilometer 0. Kilometer 0, guys. And together with road bike. Ayan, si kilometer 0.